How to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Coinbase.com or Coinbase app or wallet. So let's get into it. So here you can see that I have Coinbase.com opened for me on my desktop. There's also an app of Coinbase that you can download, and it basically is the wallet that has some major features that you can choose from. But this is the main website of Coinbase. You can trade, you can earn, you can see your assets, you can pay, and there are a lot of other features that you can access. So first of all, to get started with Coinbase, you have to sign in, and there's a process. You have to verify your phone number, you have to add your credit card details, and after doing everything, you get your account verified. And here it is the main dashboard. So now I don't have any funds right now in my account, but it is very easy to buy any kind of crypto token from Coinbase or swap it or change it with anything that you want. So you can add a payment method and buy your first crypto and start getting along with the whole thing. So in here, right here, you can see the news around the Coinbase, what is happening with different tokens, what is the price, what is taking, what is Ethereum, when is the best time to invest in crypto, what is mining, etc. So you can learn about the crypto world, all that trading, the mining, the the transferring and the swapping, everything you can learn from these pages right here. There is a whole video and blogs that Coinbase has provided for the beginners to get started with trading and investing in cryptocurrency. So right here you can see get the best details on Coinbase NFTs, and right here you can see the top movers: Variable Data Token, Augur, Elastos, Golem, Old, and Jasmine, and you can see if their prices have been going up, and you can see all of them. So let's move on to my assets. Here you can see all of your assets, everything that you hold, either is it your money, either it is any kind of token, blockchain, or any NFT that you hold. It is going to show itself right here. Don't own anything right now and get started with crypto. My total balance is 0 right now. So let's move on to trade. In the trade section, you're going to see the details of all the coins, of all the tokens that you have in crypto. Like first of all, we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Ethereum 2, we have Tether, we have all of the tokens: USD Coin, Binance, Dogecoin, Polygon, Solana, and Cardano. Like all of the tokens are right here. So here you can see that when you click on Bitcoin, because we are buying Bitcoin with Coinbase. So let's move on to that. So I'm just going to click on Bitcoin right here, and I'm going to access all of the details about the token, about the Bitcoin that has been going up in the market, and I can make a decision like if I want to buy Bitcoin or not. Right now, this is the amount of one Bitcoin in the currency in the PKR right now, and like this is huge. And here you can see this is the basic overview of the Bitcoin and how it is going, like it is going up or down a little. It is going down a little bit, it is going up, and this is a huge down for Bitcoin. Like, and here you can see that they have given the time of all of this happening. This is a 1 day chart that I'm seeing right now. You can basically move it to 1 hour chart, and you can see what has been happening in 1 hour, and you can see a 1 year chart as well, and it is going to give you the marks by month, like March, May, July, September, November, and January, what has been happening. And you can basically move on to each of this mine to get the exact date and time of this happening, whatever is happening around. So right here you have your market stats, you have your market cap, volume 24 hours, you have circulating supply, typical hold, and trading activity, buy and sell. Like buying is 98% and sell is 2%. Like no one is selling their Bitcoins right now, but there are a lot of people buying. So if you want to sell your Bitcoin, if you want to sell your Bitcoin right now, you are going to see a lot of buyers. And if you want to buy Bitcoins, then obviously you are going to get a hold of any seller. A very it is a very difficult that you get a hold of that, because the buyer ranges are very high. People are getting and trying to get a hold of any Bitcoin that they can. And this is basically Bitcoin and the market is minus 43%. The performance of Bitcoin in the past year, you can see the overview of Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin is the world's first widely adopted cryptocurrency. With Bitcoin, people can securely and directly send each other digital money on the internet, etc., etc. So here what you can do is basically come on here and click on the buy. Identity verification is required. I don't have it. I haven't put in my credit card details right now onto this app. Once you are done, your identity will be completely verified, and when you click on this buy, you are going to see an options right here. You can add in the amount you want to. Like for example, I want to invest 10,000 BKR, or I want to invest 10,000 US dollars, and I want to buy as many bitcoins I can get in them. So I can enter my amount, I can choose my currency, and then it is going to convert, and it is going to tell me how many bitcoins am I going to get in that much amount of money. And when the trade is clear, when I'm okay, I want that kind of money, and I can click on get it, or I can click on buy. It is going to make a transfer from my credit card. The 10,000 US dollars are going to be extracted, and I can see the amount of bitcoins that I have just got in my assets right here. So I can use it to buy NFTs, I can use it to buy anything on the internet, in the crypto world. I can do anything with them. So if you want to sell, it is very simple as well. In the sell, you just go on and tell them like, I want to sell these many bitcoins, and you can say, okay, so how many this is of the amount of currency that you want to get. If you want to change it to any other token, or if you want to get any kind of currency out of it, I can say I want US dollars. So it is going to basically transfer all of those bitcoins into US dollars, and I can get them into my bank account that I've associated with Coinbase directly. And I can also convert my bitcoin with other tokens as well. For example, I want to convert my bitcoin into Ethereum. I'm going to enter, like, for example, I have 10 bitcoins, and I want to convert them into Ethereum. It is going to tell me how many Ethereums I'm going to get in 10 bitcoins. I can say okay, I convert, and it is going to convert them right here, and I can see them in my assets. So this is how it's simply done on Coinbase, how you can basically buy any kind of crypto, especially Bitcoin. And if you want to buy any crypto, the process is same. You can go on and do this with Solana, you can go on and do this with Ethereum 2, you can do this with Dogecoin. It is going to be same. You can see the charts right here, you can buy, sell, and convert right here. So it is very simple. Then any beginner can do that as well. So let's move on to earn. You can also earn with, so here you can see ready to earn up to 6.12% APY, earn on Ethereum, USDC, Solana, ADA, Atom, and more. So you can basically buy new earnings. You can buy new earning assets. For example, these are all the coins that are going to be popular in the coming future. So you can buy them, and you're going to buy, they are going to be your assets, and you can make you profits when they are widely recognized, and they are going to be too much into, like, they are going to be a huge hit in the crypto world. For example, when you talk about Bitcoin was very cheap when it first got into when it was first introduced, and people who bought Bitcoin at that time are now very successful, and they are like they are very rich, because Bitcoin prices got up and up and up, and it has been going up since then. So you can invest in these new coming coins right now, and you can basically go on, and they are going to make not even if as much as Bitcoin, they are definitely going to make some kind of profit. So you can basically go on and read the charts, check out all of the data that has been provided, and according to your insight, buy any of these, and this is how you can earn. And you can also pay when you click on this option. You can pay for anything online through your Coinbase wallet from the assets that you have on your Coinbase. So you can pay for anything. You can send, you can receive, you have your crypto gifts. You can give crypto to your friends and family as a gift. You can make the transactions, send crypto to an email addresses in 100 plus countries. So here you can see pay with Bitcoin to mobile email address, and you can also add a note to that. So here you can see there are a lot of options that you can use on Coinbase. There are other options as well. You have advanced trade and recurring buys in Coinbase NFT. So NFT marketplace is also available on Coinbase. So you can basically go on and buy NFTs if you want to using your Coinbase. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.